Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for viewing. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. So I'm giving you an insight into British Indian restaurant cooking. All the secrets, how we do everything from A to Z, nothing modified. So today we're going to be cooking a nice creamy lamb pasanda. People do pasandas very differently. This is how we do it. It works for us. Been working for 42 years. So let's get cooking. So pasanda, so we've got our grounded almonds there, very expensive but really good for a lot of stuff. It goes in the masalas, pasanda, a couple of other dishes I think. So you need a fair amount, I'd say at least 3 or 4, about 3 tablespoons really, not teaspoons, tablespoons. So you've got that in there. And you don't want your gas on full, you want it very low so it doesn't burn the grounded almonds. Then you want sugar. You want quite a bit of sugar. It's a very sweet dish. I would say at least 2.5. So yeah, you just want to mix it up a little bit. You want to get your cream. I use this one. I find it really good. Kerry made cream. You want a thick cream. We used to use I think it's the St. Ivor one, but recently they've got very thin, and for service we need it thick. We need the sauce to be thick, so we don't want it watered down. That takes us longer. We're just going to add a little bit of cream on there, and then we add some of our Desi style spice, about 1 teaspoon. You don't want to do too much, otherwise it's going to affect the colour. You want a nice creamy colour. Got your sauce in there. Then we use our lamb tikka, so our pre-cooked lamb tikka, which is here. We normally put about 6 or 7. I'm just going to put 5 because it's a demo. But up to you. You can put more, you can put less, whatever you kind of think. The lamb, the pre-cooked lamb, it's not going to be a game changer. It's whatever you want, however many pieces you want. Now, you get the base gravy, but because you've got the cream, you can see it's quite liquidy already. You don't need, like normal curries, a half a pint. You probably need about 1/4 of a pint in there, that's it. And you want it thin, because the ground almonds are going to make it very thick. So you can always add a bit more base. If your base is a bit too thick, add more cream. That will thin it out. But whatever you do not add water, it will ruin the flavour. You can add water in certain curries, but not creamy curries. So we're just going to wait now. You can now kind of full blast it. Remember when you're scraping, scrape the bottom, especially the middle bit, so the almonds and it doesn't get stuck, and around the sides. Yeah? We're constantly going around the sides, we're constantly there. We're on very high gas here, so we've got to be very quick. We need our food to go out quick as well. So the sauce, it's getting nice and thick. The sauce is not quite there, but it's getting there. You want your almonds to mix in as well, and you want your lamb to be soft. So like I said, if it does get thick, too thick, but your lamb's not done, it's still tough, add a bit more base gravy or add a bit more cream. That'll do nicely. So it's bubbled up nicely, and it's got very nice thick sauce. The lamb is tender, very soft. I could just stab that easily to there, so it's ready to serve out.
And
so I'll put the lamb first in, and I'll just bury it with the sauce just to keep it more coated in, and it cooks a little bit longer. For decoration, we have small coloured potatoes. Just finely grated, and just gives it that little bit of colour. Just looks a bit nicer. And there you have it, a nice creamy, sweet lamb pasanda.